this video, I'm letting you know that you can now join me in Discord. And I suppose I don't really need to say anything else because that's the whole video. It's just letting you know that I've got a Discord group. You can join me there for free. If you're not sure what that is, it's a bit like a Facebook group, only a bit different using Discord. It's a different kind of platform. You can join it for free using the link below. It's a private group and there you can interact with me. You can ask me questions, whatever questions you want, and I will do my best to answer them. There's AI talk, there's Affinity photo talk, there's YouTube talk. I wouldn't imagine at the start there'll be very many people in this group, but hopefully over time there'll be a bit of a community feel to it and it'll grow in numbers. And it's just a good place to hang out, ask questions. I'll maybe give you some insights into what software I'm using, what projects I'm working on, things that I don't normally show on YouTube or social media. In this group, it'll be a good chance for me to share those things and for you to share your work too. And if you're doing any of my Affinity courses, this is a great chance to ask questions about the courses, or if you're not sure about something, this group is the best place to ask those questions, and I'll be able to help you, maybe even by showing you a wee video if there's a problem you've got or something like that. That'd be really fun. And really, that's the whole video. That's the whole announcement. It's a very short one today, but I'm very excited about this group. It's something I've been wanting to do a long time, and eventually it's here. So if you want to be part of my Discord group, there's a link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in there. And if you didn't see my last video, I'm currently offering 70% off my Affinity course bundle. That contains my masterclass course. Everything you want to know about Affinity Photo 2 and the iPad is in that course. There's also a combine and blend course and an overlays pack called Sabre FX. So if that might interest you, there's also a link for that in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video and hopefully in the Discord group too. Thanks for watching.
In a digital lounge where the cool cats go, eat like slow, chat about YouTube AI
and Affinity photo.
Swipe, click, join the mix, see what's in store. Join Andrew's Discord server, explore so much more.